These are the four properties we are going to learn here. Properties for integers. First is closure property, second is commutative, third is associative, and fourth is additive identity property of 0. First of all, why should we learn this property? Students, when you learn this, you can answer the objective type of questions. After doing these properties, we will solve some sums. First of all, closure property. So this says that if a and b are integers, then a plus b is equal to always integer number. Okay, let's say a is equal to -3 and b is equal to 7. So how to do this? A plus b means -3 plus 7. So answer is here 4. Then let's say a is equal to -9 and b is equal to 4. So what is a plus b? Here -9 plus 4. So what is the answer? -5. -5 is also an integer. This is not decimal or fraction. So this is all the property. Then comes second property, commutative property. This means by changing the order of integers, also the answer remains same only. A plus b is equal to b plus a. This property is very much helpful for objective type of question. For example, a is equal to -3 and b is equal to 5. So how to do this? -3 plus 5 is equal to here 2, this side. Okay, now see this way, b plus a. So first we will take 5 and then we will take -3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the answer remains same only. So I hope you understood today that by changing the order also, the integers answer remains same only. This is called as commutative. So we can say that addition follows the commutative property. Then comes associative. This property says that if a, b and c, 3 integers are there, so if we group them like this, a plus b plus c, this will be same as a plus c plus b. Okay, we can take any two numbers together and then the third one we can add in them. Let's say an example, a, b and c, 3 numbers, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. So here 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, here a plus c. So 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1 and b is 2. So the answer is 4 plus 2, 6 only. So that means that by changing the groups also the answer remains same, and this is the associative property. So we can say that addition follows associative property. Then comes additive identity property of 0. It says that if we add 0 to any integer means a. If we add 0 to any integer, the answer remains same, the number itself. Okay, let's say a is equal to 9. So 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. You add 0 to any number, the answer remains the number itself. This is called as additive identity. So that's it. And now we are going to see the properties for subtraction. In subtraction, closure property, a minus b is an integer. If you subtract any integers, then also the answer remains integer only. It won't be a fraction or a decimal. For example, a is equal to minus 9 and b is equal to 3. So how to do this? A is minus 9, b is 3. So minus and here 3. So 9 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to minus 12. So this answer is integer only. So we can say that subtraction follows closure property. Okay, then second is for subtraction, commutative property. Subtraction doesn't follow because by changing the orders the answer will be different only. Okay, so we can say that subtraction does not follow commutative property. Let's say a minus b, okay, is not, suppose a is equal to 3, okay, and b is equal to minus 8. So a is 3 minus 8. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Okay, then here if we change the order, so b minus a, b is minus 8 minus a is 3 is equal to minus 11. So these two are not same. So we can say that subtraction doesn't follow commutative property. Like that, associative property also subtraction doesn't follow. Then comes additive identity for subtraction. So additive identity for subtraction is 0. 0 is the right additive. 0 is right for the subtraction. Suppose you subtract 0 from any number. Okay, here a minus 0, a is any integer. So you subtract, if you subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the integer itself. Let's say a is equal to 19. So 19 minus 0 is equal to 19. So we can say that 0 is the right identity for subtraction. So that's it for today. I hope so you understood better. And students, please write in the comment box whether this video was useful or not. In the next video, we will do the properties for multiplication and division. Bye bye students.